Hello friends, welcome you all. I am Sundar from Symphonia Chennai. One question I keep getting from many people whom I meet as part of my profession. One common question which keeps coming is, where should I put my money so that I can become rich at the earliest point of time? In fact, many people keep asking me, should I be investing in cryptocurrencies, etc. So who does not like becoming rich as early as possible? That's where these questions keep coming. Which stock to buy? Where should I put my money to buy a land so that it can become multifold in a very short period of time, and etc. etc. And we all know that there is no short way to achieving success. But in spite of that, this one question keeps persisting because our mind always gets greedy when it comes to making money. So let me explain that why this is not possible and what happened in the previous histories, which can be a good lesson to all of us. I will take you all back almost 400 years before, where a tulip mania happened. This is in the year 1635, where the Dutch people started buying tulip flowers, thinking that it is a new status symbol, and whoever owned as many number of tulip flowers, so as the status was high. So there was all of a sudden there was a huge demand, and people believed that it gives a lot of prosperity if you own it, and it also becomes a status symbol. And over the next couple of months, the price of tulip flowers went up from as low as 50 cents to as high as 60 guilders, which was the official currency at that time. The guilders are nothing but your gold coins. Earlier, gold coins were treated as your currencies. So if I have to put a number and bring it to today's value, it is equivalent to almost about $7.5 lakh, which in Indian rupees means almost 5.5 to 6 crores. Can you imagine somebody can pay 5.5 to 6 crores for a tulip flower? It actually happened 400 years before. Not only tulip flowers, there are many other such things which have happened in the history, where in the urge of making money, people continue to keep buying something thinking that there is value, and the prices of these flower, or it could be anything, will keep going only up. But the reality is definitely different. The chart clearly shows that in a matter of about 4-5 months, people lost faith in the tulip flowers, and there were no buyers. And as we all know, the prices started correcting and it fell to as low as almost zero. So where does an asset get value? Simply put, an asset should be able to create some earnings, it should have a cash flow, it should have some intrinsic value, etc. etc. But sometimes people forget all those things and they actually value based on what they perceive on. At sometimes it is called the greater fool theory. Though it might sound a little arrogant, but the reality is, this time and again has happened where people keep buying assets at a very huge price, at a overvaluation stage, and expect that somebody else will still buy it from him, where he will be able to sell it. Till such time this continues, the prices keeps going up, like the tulip flowers. But soon, there will be no fools left in the market, and we all know that how the prices will crash. So let's connect this towards the cryptocurrencies today. Many of us keep asking, should I be investing in the crypto because it is likely to be the next big thing? Honestly, I don't have a view on it, but I can definitely quote some of the best investors in the world. Who else to go apart from the Warren Buffett, who in the recent annual summit which he normally connects with his shareholders, one of the investors asked, should you be investing in cryptocurrency? The answer what he said was, it does not have any intrinsic value and he will not buy it, the entire Bitcoin lot or whatever cryptocurrency, even for $25. We all know that the one cryptocurrency is valued at about $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. He said the entire Bitcoin he will not buy even if it was less than $25, which means he does not even value cryptocurrency as an asset. But as we speak, already about 20 million Indians have already invested in crypto market. Even before people could realize, is it an asset? Is it legal? With all these questions even yet to be answered even by the government of India, many people have already invested into the crypto market, thinking that it will make them rich at the easiest possible or at the fastest possible time. So we'll have to really wait and see what happens to the cryptocurrency. But one thing for sure, there is no easy way to achieve success or to create wealth. Commonsensically, everyone knows that it is the most hardest way, or it takes a lot of time to create wealth. But sometimes our brains are very tricky, where it becomes very greedy and looks to find a easy answer and the shortest answer to become wealthy and rich. So the point I want to convey is, let's not get into any kind of traps or bubbles. And this is not the only one. We have got many number of instances, and soon many more will keep coming, But as investors, we should be aware and we need to invest in assets which have some intrinsic value and it can create some kind of cash flows over a period of time. Investments is not a child's play, so take the professional help so that you can actually create wealth over a long period of time. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Symphonia Chennai, and don't forget to press the bell notification. Thank you for watching.